The White House and the Fed are headed toward a legal face-off over who really calls the shots. CNN's Maribel Aber joins us now from the NASDAQ market site in New York. Hello, Maribel. Looking like this courtroom battle could decide how much sway the president has over the Fed.
Hey, good morning, Chesley. It does look like court is where this battle is headed, and the Federal Reserve says it will abide by any court decision on President Trump's firing of Fed Governor Lisa Cook. But the Fed pointed out that the president needs to show cause for the removal of a Fed governor. Earlier this week, Trump said he was removing Cook due to allegations she committed mortgage fraud. Through her attorney, Cook has indicated she will challenge her removal in court. Trump has also indicated he would abide by a court's decision on Cook, and it's believed that any federal court challenge by Cook to her termination will likely end up with the Supreme Court issuing the final word there, Chesley.
All right. Turns out slimming down may soon be as easy as removing your breakfast. No injections required, right?
It would be a big shift for weight loss treatments, Chesley. A daily weight loss pill from Eli Lilly has met the goals set for it in its latest trial. So the pill helped patients with obesity and type 2 diabetes lose weight in the trial. And that clears the way for Lilly to file for approval of the drug. The treatment would offer an alternative to the injections needed now for weight loss and diabetes drugs called GLP-1s. And the more convenient pills could boost supply for the weight loss treatments, making them easier to access than the expensive weekly injections of the current drugs. You know, Chesley, a pill is less scary than a needle.
Wow. Well, it's going to be hot either way, right? Frontier just picked up 23 shiny new flight paths, and it seems they're aiming right towards Spirit's weak spots.
Ding, ding, ding. Frontier is going after customers of its struggling rival Spirit. Frontier plans to start service on 20 new routes, many of them right in Spirit's major markets. Some of the new routes will operate out of Fort Lauderdale, Florida, which is Spirit's base. Now, some of the Frontier's new routes from Fort Lauderdale will include flights to Detroit, Houston, Chicago, and Charlotte. And Frontier will also begin new routes from Houston this winter as well. The push by Frontier comes after Spirit recently said it may not be able to survive another year without more cash. Now remember, Frontier had tried and failed to merge with Spirit several times since 2022. So it's kind of like back at you, Chesley.
Gotcha. All right. You know, Apple always hypes us up, Maribel, about when they have a big release. September 9th is where they circled on the calendar. What's really on that lineup?
Okay, Apple's expected to introduce the next iPhone at that early September event. The launch event is scheduled for September 9th, indeed, at Apple's California headquarters. The iPhone 17 line is expected to feature updated processors, and Wall Street analysts predict Apple will also roll out a slim, lightweight iPhone model as well. Now, you know, Apple also usually introduces its new Apple Watch models at its September event. The new iPhone comes as shipments from Samsung surged in the U.S. last quarter. That helps Samsung gain market share, rising from 23% to 31%. That's according to data from the tech research firm Canalys. You know, we've got so many tech toys coming, Chesley. I'm really anxious to see the price points with these. And I'm not so easy to just get the new thing because I want to see if there are any tweaks that need to be made. You know what I mean? Right.
Absolutely. I love this. I love these wars, and I love the new stuff that comes out, and one trying to up the other, and so forth and so on. So it's always great. Thanks a lot,
Hopefully bring down the price.
Well, that's the other thing. Thanks a lot, Maribel. I really appreciate it.